Yes, so my people, I throw a salute to I remain your homeboy MC Marvelous Bomb, the voice of Africa in Asia, the Amlata one of Agbokidon Unumegeme one of Africa, aka the only boy that traveled the whole world without passport and visa. Yes, so my brothers and my sisters, I say make I go tell una wetin our people they do for this country. Make una see after una go say Indians not like una, Indians they fight una. Just imagine this na wetin happen this night wey be 25th of November. Now for one area like that, I don't want to mention the area name to avoid the story that touch. Just because of money matter, they say you go hear am for the video. The guy say they go burst the house. That one not reach, they want to burst the area. Wey be like say people they stay, not be only that guy they stay there. Even though say the guy they hold now 100 million. At least na them na your business partner, not get IB. Because before money involve, say they owe you money, na your business partner. Communities dey, task force dey, ASCA dey, all of them dey, NECWA dey. You fit invite this guy, say I come, maybe na when the guy come dey put stubborn for there, anything can happen. You know say yes, not be by fight. Okay, for street now, for this night, they begin dey make this kind noise. If Indiana come call police now for them now, they'll say Indian people wicked. After they'll say Buhari no good. Now Buhari see the rule now for India for year. I get voice note when one of our sister do when she want do her birthday when police take carry him boyfriend with his friends. Because they made them pay 1.7 million. In fact, 1.7 million I they call from Nigeria. He pay. And who they collect the money so it's an African man like them. Come they work with police. All those kind of things no good. All those kind of things no good. Like waiting, all these guys they do this night so. This thing I feel not surprised because of this thing they feel that carry like 20 people go deportation camp. The feel that carry like 20 people go prison because what all these people do this night now. If it be say as they make this noise now, India don't call police. But they don't do now. They don't see. If you see the way that you go watch the video, you go see them. Say that they hurry, they want run come out. Be like say one of the door they observe say maybe police door they come or Indian don't call Bokbo. They say so if not, they never want come out before. They as they come they do maybe one person does signal they see that they move. Now don't Bokbo now come now they not see those people that don't come begin carry innocent people when they see for the area that night. They say tomorrow now they want to continue the war. Tomorrow now, when I go see here what happen. So I go follow the story up. Not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, MC Marvelous Bomb. Follow me for Instagram, MC Marvelous Bomb. Follow me for Facebook, MC Marvelous 2 times. And remain your homeboy, MC Marvelous Bomb, the voice of Africa in Asia, the Amlata one of Agbokidon, Unumegeme one of Africa, aka the only boy they travel the whole world without passport and visa. If you want to watch the video to see how those boys take constitution users for that area this night, watch the video. May you call your mamu.
Wherefore, this time you can Italians way because that's more than one and I go bust your house. You never reach because this is just the beginning. Black me, that one go worse. You go die for here. Black me, you are still a small boy. You are start out right. You go not let's believe you hear from me. If you don't believe you will hear from me, I swear to God, will lie. Believe you say people work hard. You will know me. That money will sell now. You go bring that this night. Just wait. Sorry? Water. I'm going to.